Hello folks, in this video I will show you how to make a white border on a picture in Canva. So select the picture in which you want to add the border. I'm selecting this one right over here. Now click on edit. In effects, select shadows. Here you will see different type of shadows. You have to select outline. Keep the size at 10 and intensity at 90. Now you can also select the color you want. I'm selecting white. Now you can see it is looking good. So that's how you can add outline in picture you want. That's it for the video. If you find this helpful, consider a like and subscribing the channel. Thank you very much.